Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, I'll share to you guys why Bybit is a very good exchange to use. So let's stay tuned. So before even I talk about this exchange, this Bybit exchange, I believe that recently you guys has been following up Luna, Terra Luna. Okay, so we can see here Terra Luna. Let me talk a little bit about Terra Luna because Terra Luna it seems very hot right now, a very hot topic right now because of the crash. And right now they are doing some governance which is going through the voting proposal. So if you guys thinks that this proposal is good enough, where you can see, you can read it out up here, which is the ecosystem revival plan 2. If you think it makes sense, you can actually vote for them under the Terra Station wallet. To be honest, I don't have any comment on that. It has good and pro and cons. So basically, if I were you, I will vote no and I will go for burning. So if you think that burning makes sense to you guys, you can always feel free to put down below the comment below. And you can see right now Luna seems to do very, I would say bearish right now. How do I say bearish? Because you can see it just touched around 0.0006 then before it crashed all the way down 2.1. So it's about 5x drop, 6x drop. It's pretty ugly, I would say. So why is it so ugly? It's only one thing I would say, right? Because people are still don't have a proper idea what Tuquan is gonna do next in Terra Luna. So I think Terra Luna is a little bit, shaky here and there. But stay tuned for more. If you want to buy Terra Luna, if you want to think that Terra Luna, this Luna has hope, still has hope, you can always go to Bybit Exchange to purchase more Luna. Okay, so let's get into Bybit, of course. So for right now, this is a Bybit exchange platform. You can see here where they offer a lot of things here like buy cryptos, market trades. They even have spot, launchpad, derivative. They have a lot of things that I mentioned earlier before. So in today's episode, I will tell you guys why is Bybit nice to use, I would say, or cheap to use. I would use that terms. So the reason why it's cheap because of the trading fees. I would say because uh, if you are a regular customer or maybe you are a VIP customer, I think you also will consider, hey, how much the exchange is charging me based on every trade I does in the exchange platform. So in Bybit is one of the lowest fees out there in the global crypto market. So today I'll tell you guys, look at this Bybit new fees rate. So this is actually the new fees rate that's released on the 2nd of March. And you can see, right, if you are a regular customer or if you want to become a VIP, you need to have at least 250,000 asset in your wallet. Then you can get this VIP status. Or you want to get a VIP 2, of course, 5,000, VIP 3, 1 million, and so on and so forth. So you can see that you need to do some criteria here and there, and you want to know what is the trading fees that they're offering. So right now you can see, right, for level 1, which is non-VIP derivative, is about 0.01. And if you're taking on taker fees, it's about 0.06. So people will ask, hey, what is maker fees and what is taker fees? Correct? Let me show you what is actually maker and taker fees. So anything to do with, here and here is actually the maker and taker fees. So right now you can see, right, for example, you have Bitcoin and you want to sell it to USDT, for example. So you imagine this is the the person that are buying it and the person that are selling it. So right now, people are actually willing to buy at this price and people are willing to let go their Bitcoin at this price. So if you put your own pricing, then it will be considered as maker fees. You are making the price, you are making something, you are making some figures out and hoping that people buys Bitcoin, whichever price that you put in. So for example, I make the price at 30,000 per Bitcoin. So you just put there 30,000 and you wait for people to buy it. And if we talk about taker fees means whatever is here, which is people are wanted to buy at this price right now. You just click on it and you just click sell, so you're selling directly to him. So this is actually the taker fees. So they are taking it and you are making it. So taker and making. So usually the takers are much expensive because you can straight away sell to the people that are willing to buy at the price, and the maker fees are always cheaper compared to the taker fees. So for spot, of course, spot doesn't have any changes, which is 0.1. 0.1, I would say, is still considered cheap compared to other exchanges, because other exchanges, if I'm not mistaken, standardized about, all the exchanges are around 0.2 taker and maker fees. So it's quite standard. But if you are into the VIP, you can see there are some changes here, which is have a discount rate of 0.06 taker and 0.04 for maker fees. Same goes to here. You can see that there is some changes here to 0.05 taker maker fees, 0.006, which is another zero, which is very, very cheap if you are into the VIP. So VIP has a lot of benefits. And you can see, right, if you are a VIP member, definitely, it's like, 10x difference. I would say it's 6x difference. You can see that. So you should be considering this, I would say, because it's quite cheap. As you go lower and lower, right, you see VIP to only, the Bybit only charge about 0.04. Wow. So this is maker and taker fee. So I would say, right, depends on you. If you think that derivative suits you, you can go for derivative. If you think that spot makes sense to you, you can always look at spot also. So if you are VIP member in Bybit, I would say, right, you can see here the spot maker taker fees. It will get lower and lower and lower and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper till you don't pay any single cents, 0% fees on Pro 1, 2, and 3, which is very, very interesting. Okay, so if you want to know more about Bybit trading fee structure, I'll put down the link at below so you guys can actually read more about that. So I would say, right, if even you are a regular customer, you can see even you are a regular or non-VIP customer, you can see that it is still cheap compared to other exchanges, especially derivative, because spot, I would say, is only 0.1% different. Yeah, it makes some difference also. But I think the most cheap compared to other exchanges would be this 0.01 and 0.06. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, I'll put down the link at below so you guys can register an account in Bybit. So you can see here, right, who is eligible. So to apply to this Bybit VIP program, you need to meet any of the following requirement, which is 30 days derivative trading volume on Bybit reach about 10 million. This is inclusive. Total equity under Bybit account reach 250,000 inclusive. 30 days spot trading volume on Bybit reach about 1 million inclusive. Already a VIP status or trading volume on another exchange reach 10 million for derivative, or 1 million inclusive for spot. So if you are, from other exchanges, you are VIP from other exchanges, you can just screenshot your trading history and send it over to this premium at Bybit.com. So once you have screenshot to them, they will check whether you're eligible to join this VIP program. If you don't have a VIP status and you want to have a first VIP status in Bybit, then you need to have at least one of them, which is 30-day derivative, or total equity, or another spot 30 days on spot trading. Okay, so it's very, very simple to be part of VIP member in Bybit. And you can see, right, one thing good is if you are a VIP member in Bybit, there are plenty of exclusive benefit, includes VIP Legend Tournament, welcome gift, VIP ambassador, 24/7 customer service, Bybit industry insight. So all these are all very, very beneficial to you. And the most important one, I would say, 24/7 customer service. That one is actually just for VIP. So if you are VIP, there is a customer service just for VIP, and you will be served 24/7. So if you have any questions, any doubt, you need any support, Bybit is always there for you. Okay, so last but not least, you can see here, these are the rate that I mentioned earlier. As you can see here, derivative, if you are a VIP member or VIP 1, 2, or 3, it will go lower and lower. Doesn't matter is it derivative or spot trading, you can see maker and taker fees is also lower and lower. Okay, so I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon, and remember to join the Bybit Malaysia social media to know more best update in all the Bybit Malaysia event. Okay, I'll see you guys soon, and goodbye.